Kia has unveiled a groundbreaking concept car that's raising eyebrows and pushing the boundaries of sustainability. In a move that blends innovation, eco-consciousness, and cutting-edge design, the South Korean automaker has created a concept vehicle made from surprising materials, apples and mushrooms. Yes, you heard that right. Kia's latest concept car uses natural, biodegradable substances like apple skins and mycelium, the root structure of mushrooms, to showcase the future of sustainable automotive design. This concept car is a part of Kia's larger vision to move away from traditional automotive manufacturing practices and reduce the environmental impact of the car industry. The use of apple-based and mushroom-derived materials reflects Kia's commitment to finding eco-friendly alternatives to petroleum-based plastics, which have long been the standard in the auto industry. The materials not only look and feel unique, but they also offer the potential for significantly reducing the carbon footprint of car production. Kia's new concept highlights how these natural materials can be incorporated into various aspects of the car's construction. The apple skin-based materials, for example, are used for the interior of the car, replacing traditional synthetic leather and plastic. These materials are biodegradable and can be composted after use, making them a highly sustainable option. Similarly, mycelium is used in the structure of the car, replacing some of the foam and composite materials typically used in automotive manufacturing. Mycelium is not only lightweight but also strong, offering a viable alternative to more traditional, resource-heavy materials. This move towards natural materials comes at a time when sustainability is a major focal point in the automotive industry. Consumers are increasingly looking for environmentally friendly options, and automakers are being forced to innovate to meet these demands. By using organic, renewable materials in its concept car, Kia is setting a strong example for the future of automotive design, one that balances cutting-edge technology with the health of our planet. Although still in its concept phase, Kia's sustainable approach signals a significant shift in the automotive industry. The future of car manufacturing could soon look a lot greener, thanks to Kia's bold exploration of apples and mushrooms as viable alternatives to traditional car materials.